Hi everyone. First of all, thank you all for your amazing feedback. It's really helped shape what I'm about to share today. Okay, so we have an idea to build an internal training program, right? But where we should start from. So today, I'm excited to introduce you to something special. Welcome to the space where all our bubbles float freely. Just like bubbles need space to dance and grow, this is where our learning journeys will flow. Here in the space, you'll find everything you need. Your fellow bubblies, our season's journey, progress tracking, and all the tools to help your ideas take flight. Let me start by showing you the season section. Right here you can see our first season, 2024 Q4, with our 4 bubbles. We'll be tracking our overall progress here, and you can see the schedule runs from next week all the way to December 11th. We're aiming for 100% completion by then. Moving to the middle section, this is where all the action happens. We'll collect all our project files and track our progress here. You'll find recordings of all sessions, and yes, you can watch sessions from other bubbles too. You can see what everyone's working on and check out the resources tab for the latest news from each bubble. Over on the right, you'll see the projects for each bubble. I'll create separate videos diving into these exciting projects later, but for now, you can see what opportunities each bubble offers and what we're trying to achieve. Now, see these pages down here? This is kind of like our engine room, all the databases that make the system work. You don't need to go in there, but feel free to explore if you're curious. Below that, you'll find all the session details. Now, this might look a bit complex at first, but don't worry. I'm creating a simplified dashboard view for you. Each bubble has its own session details, subjects, and activities, and make sure to check out the homework section before each session. Speaking of bubbles, let me introduce our bubblies. Check out your name and assigned bubble. For this first trial, we decided to go with 1 bubble per person. Maybe we'll expand that in Season 2 next year. And yes, we're tracking attendance, so like back in school, try not to miss your classes. Quick tip, make sure to favorite this page so it's always easy to find. I've also created individual dashboards for each of you that show your next sessions and homework in a much simpler way. Don't forget to bookmark that too. Lastly, each bubble has its own home for communication. This page will grow as we go along, and I'd love to see everyone contributing their knowledge here. It's a great way to keep everyone updated on what's happening. And that's your introduction to the space, our platform where we'll learn, build, and share together. I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to see you all in our first session. So, that's all for today. I will see you in the next one.